is from.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to English class. Children, I hope that you all are fine and doing your studies as well. Isn't it? Very good. So children, today we will start the book exercise of chapter number 4, that is nouns as genders. So I request you to please take out your English grammar book. Now come to page number 23. Now exercise number A. Some of the words in the table are in the wrong column. You have to circle them. Children, here are some words which are written in wrong column. So you have to circle the wrong ones. Understood? Now this is masculine column and this is feminine column. Now man is masculine, so it is correct. Woman, this is also correct because it is in feminine gender. Now landlady, this is wrong. Landlady is feminine gender, so it is written in under the masculine gender, so it is wrong. So you have to circle it. Again landlord, it should be masculine gender, so it is written in wrong column, so you have to circle it. Now the next one is lion. Lion is masculine gender, it is correct. Lioness, it is also correct. Now girl. Girl is not a masculine gender, it is a feminine gender. So this is also wrong, so you have to circle it. Boy. Boy is masculine gender, so it is written under feminine gender, so it is wrong. So you have to circle it. Nephew. Niece, this is correct. Son. Daughter, it is also correct. Now goose. Goose, it is feminine gender, so it is written under masculine gender, so it is incorrect. So you have to circle it. Now gander, it is masculine gender, it is written under feminine gender, so it is also incorrect, so you have to circle it. Uncle, aunt, brother, sister, rooster, hen, tomcat, cat, madam. Now madam is feminine gender, isn't it? So it should be written under feminine gender, but it is written under masculine gender, so it is wrong. So you have to circle it. Sir, it should be written under masculine gender, but it is written under feminine gender, so it is also incorrect, so you have to circle it. So children, I hope that you have understood this. Now what you have to remember, only living things can be masculine or feminine in gender. Now exercise number B. In each list, circle all the nouns which are in feminine gender. Now in the list, you have to see which is feminine gender and you have to circle it. Now number 1 is mare, deer, tomcat, duck. Now in this, mare is feminine gender of horse and duck is feminine gender of drake. So you have to circle mare and duck. Now uncle, cat, brother, grandfather. Now only cat is feminine gender. Rest all the three are masculine gender. Man, lion, peahen, peacock. Now here only peahen is feminine gender. Rest all the three are masculine gender. Now the fourth one, hen, rooster, gander, goose. Now here hen and goose, they are in feminine gender, and rooster is masculine gender of hen and gander is masculine gender of goose. Understood? Now the fifth one. Woman, tomcat, aunt, landlord. Now here woman and aunt, they are feminine gender. Tomcat and landlord, they are masculine gender. So you have to circle woman and aunt. Now in the C1, in each list, circle all the nouns which are in the masculine gender. In this we have circled feminine gender. Now in this question we have to circle masculine gender. Queen, actor, tigress, hero. Now here actor and hero, they are in masculine gender. Queen and tigress, they are feminine gender. Husband, princess, postwoman, landlord. Now husband and landlord, they are the examples of masculine gender. And princess and postwoman, they are the examples of feminine gender. Lion, prince, queen, horse. Now here are three masculine gender. Lion, prince and horse. Queen is feminine gender. So you have to circle lion, prince and horse. Niece, aunt, mother, gander. Now here gander is masculine gender and these all three are the examples of feminine gender. Now the fifth one, grandmother, lioness, mare, sir. Now these three are the examples of feminine gender. Sir is the example of masculine gender. So you have to circle sir. So children, I hope that you have understood and you have done the book exercise of this page.